tastemakers. Tanya here. Hope everyone's doing well. Thanks for tuning in today. Today I'm making sangria. And sangria is an alcoholic punch. That's what a fruit punch normally. Normally it's red. There's Sangria Rojo, which means red, and Sangria Blanco or Blanc, Sangria white. I always like to use the red. Sangria, for what I understand, stands for blood. That's what the Latin word, or Latin descent, it stands for blood. So I have this wine here. This is Bay Bridge. It's a red blend. This is a good wine. This is good tasting on its own. But I normally make sangria when I get a wine that I don't like, but you don't want to throw it away. So you doctor it up, go on and pour it in with fresh fruits and everything, and then that just perks it up. So I'm going to pour this entire bottle in this carafe here. All right, and then some people use like the traditional way. You use this. You put your wine in, and then you put your brandy. But I don't have any brandy. I don't have any E&J. And brandy is a distilled wine. And so that kicks it up another notch. And let's see, what am I going to do? Now I'm going to just put the wine in there. And I'm going to put some cranberry juice because I love the color. I was going to put some tequila in there, but I think this is fine. This is just a quart size container. And then put the fresh fruits in there. I'm going to slice up some limes. And normally you would let this sit. Put all the fruits in there that you want. And let it all come together for hours. I'm going to put that's all that container will take. Let's see. Go on and stir it around. Make sure everything's all incorporated. I'm going to take a sip. Isn't that such a beautiful, fun punch? That is fine the way it is. Since I have already cut up these oranges, I'm going to get the juice out of these oranges, and that is it. I didn't need any tequila. I'll say that for my margaritas. And some people use like what is that? That orange liquor. I forgot what it's named. You can put anything you want. Anything you want. This is your punch. Whatever you have left over. You got left over a little bit of wine. You get some nasty wine and you just want to hook it up. That's what you use this for. If you got a little bit left over of tequila or any type of liquor, just a little bit, throw it in the punch. And I think that's absolutely beautiful. I'm gonna put that one in there. Only the pretty sliced ones get. So here is our sangria. It's early in the morning, you guys. Like I told in my other video, I said, I know I'm a YouTuber now. I wake up first thing in the morning, and when I start working, then I'll go, oh no, I want to share this with my friends. So I know I got the YouTube bug now after 2 years. All right, guys. So if you like content like this, it's really good. It's really good. Give that a try, and I will put the recipe that I did today, because everyone does it differently, and depending on what you have on hand, it may change the next day. I use this. This is a quart size. It holds 4 cups. I got this from Dollar Tree, and the juice came from Dollar Tree. It's a good cranberry juice, and the wine is Bay Bridge Red Blend. Just put that together. Squeezed fresh juices in there. Garnished it with some fresh lemons, limes, and oranges. All right, I have some pears sliced up, but they kind of turned brown, so I'm not using them. Okay, guys, so salute. Hit that like button. I welcome you to subscribe and hit that bell notification so you'll be notified when I upload any new content. All right, thank you so much, you guys. Bye, Mom. Bye, Tastemakers. See you in my next video.